Crafty fam. How are you today? So today, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So today, I am going to be making my Vlogmas Christmas intro template. So, now I am on Canva, and what I'm going to do, right here, so as you can see, so YouTube intro, there we go. So I'm gonna create a blank, and this is gonna be my Christmas theme. So what I love about him, I also do an outline for it. I have a vision in my head, so I'm gonna do photos. I think this one is the one on this one. I love the green a lot. So what I do, I like the green the best. So this is gonna be my Christmas intro template. So I just wet out the picture, and then I'm gonna add some text here, and I'm gonna do what woman want me? What woman want me? 2022. I don't know how I want people. Just like make the lettering thinner. I think that's good. What woman want me? 2022. Like so. There's no without no lolly. La 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 la. So it's time to like all green, all red, and all white. There's no without no lolly. So this just a play for like a few seconds to, yeah. So, sorry for that move there. I wanted to add last you find the white up here and change the red to the white and the green to the red and the yellow to the green. There we go, I have some fun Christmas light here. Now I'm gonna try and add like a little Christmas tree or something at the bottom here. I love this like moving Christmas tree, but like too similar or movable graphic. Here, and find like if I want to add Betty or something. I love this like movable nutcracker. Maybe her over here. Another thing in like every like video. Not and now I'm gonna create my end screen here. Still have the sample one. So let's make it Christmassy. And mostly do something like this. So I'm gonna do, and this is, I like this the best. And then I just hit replace background. Very like Christmassy. Hold on. I'm gonna quickly check what entering placement I have. Hold on. So I need a circle. I just need a update right here. Yeah. So I'm just trying to center it. I will put thank you for watching right here. I'm gonna change it to white, and I hate that on. You know what? Be monastic. That's better. I like that. Thank you for watching. So Yeah. I'm gonna move this circle more for the center. And then I'm gonna see if they have a subscribe button. And really like annoying that. Like that. I'm just gonna have it like right here. Just like pop right at you. I love how this turned out. It was so cute and festive. So I'm gonna say one thing with the intro right now, and I'm just gonna make one that I think it's kind of annoying. And you guys will know by the title what day it is. So hold on, let me hit home. Here is the fiscal info for 2020. Vlogmas intro for 2022. It'll have like holiday. Yeah, and then this is the Christmas entry of 2022. Ta-da! If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below if you like Christmas videos. Please give this a big thumbs up. And see you guys tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 3. I'm going to post a short and a video. I'm going to post a short every few days. And I'm going to post a video every other day for 45 days for the month of December. So please enjoy and hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new Vlogmas video and check out my Instagram at Vlogwoman